What's up, guys? Welcome to Pippin and Dippin Academy's YouTube channel. I'm Joe Von Grixon, and I've got Hunter, the Pip Hunter Burkett, here with me.
What's up, guys?
He's only drinking water, guys. He's only drinking water, all right? Because he's on fire enough, right? Hey, that's why I got my hat on backwards, because what we're sharing with you today, guys, I'm telling you, you better hold on to your hats, right? It's like the fastest wild ride in the West, like they say at Disneyland when you go on that roller coaster. And that's what Hunter's going to give you guys today. A couple of trades, market maker trades, setups that he did today, and that he shared with our trading group that absolutely crushed, guys. I mean, crushed. But hey, look, if this is the first time that you're here, that's awesome. Congratulations, welcome, and thank you for coming by or stopping by. Hit the subscribe button. All right, make sure you hit the bell so you get notified anytime we have a new video out. We post roughly one every week. We have tons of great content. If you haven't watched all the other content we have, go and check it out. And lastly, if you watch this video and you get something out of it and you found value in it, then please pound the like button on the video. All right, it helps us out with YouTube. Our channel is growing very, very quickly. We've only been doing this now for about, 3 months, Hunter?
Yep.
About 3 months, and our channel is starting to go like real fast. It took a little bit to get some traction, and now it's like going really quick. So we want to make sure that we get as much value out there to as many people as we possibly can. And last thing. So first thing, subscribe to the channel. Second thing, like the video if you found value in it. Third thing, leave a comment. Hey, I subscribed if it's your first time. And if you have a question, go ahead and put it in there. Or if you'd like a video for us to do a video on something we haven't got on our channel, then please let us know. Without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to Hunter, the Pip Hunter Burkett, right now. Look, he's even showing his face today, guys, because he just absolutely crushed these trades today. It's been a good day. And hey, guys, I just want to remind you, whether you're new to trading or not, this week is NFP. It is a week that most professional traders do not trade, but that's how confident we are in our strategy, and we do trade it. Trust me, we won't trade tomorrow, but we do trade usually Monday through Thursday of NFP week. So without further ado, Hunter, it's all yours, brother.
What's up, guys? Yeah, I just wanna say something before I start. Whoever's watching this, man, I just want you to know that you guys need to believe in yourself. Anybody can trade. Anybody can trade. You just got to put the tools into play so you can be effective at this stuff. And don't get me wrong, is Joe and I still growing? Absolutely, but we're putting the discipline in play. We've got the tools, and we're getting the results, and we want you guys to get the results too as well. That's why we shot our last video about our academy. We want you guys to come and join. Screw the money. If I gave it to you for free, then you wouldn't value it, as much as you would if you paid for it, right? So what I'm trying to say is we give a ton of free value here at the YouTube channel. But at the end of the day, we want you to come into Pippin and Dippin Academy and be the next testimony, and be the next person that says, man, I just quadrupled my account. We want that, right? So what I'm going to do now, except for that rant there, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to drop some value. Okay, you guys have been giving us some great feedback. I love that. Thank you so much. And we're going to keep continuing to do that. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen.
No, not that screen, Hunter.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. You see me looking up in the top. I got two TVs that I'm looking at. So I will. Okay, cool. All right, guys. The trade that I took today with my students, like I said, Joe said it, NFP week, we're very cautious, okay? I do watch the manipulation that's going on and things like that, but I want you to understand that I still when I'm reading the charts, I make sure that when I get my set, and I take my set, with confidence. I'm not beating around the bush and things like that. So I want you guys to see this is G-Chef. We took this trade today, this morning, and it played out nicely. Okay, what do we have down here? I want you guys to really hone in on this, okay, when I do this. I have to bring this down. It's on a different screen. Okay. All right, let's leave it right here. Okay, for now. Okay, so right here, what do we have? You guys know this. I ain't gotta, you know, act like that I'm on my Zoom with my team.
It's a pretty face. It's a pretty face, yeah. Hunter. Oh, it's a pretty face with low.
Yeah. Peak formation low. Guys. So when you see that, you establish, you know it, right? So you guys know what to expect after that. Okay? What you need to do, what you need to learn, what you need to ingrain in your trading plan is to trade away from the peak formation lows and highs. Guys, then you'll be successful. Are you still gonna lose trades? Yep. Like, there's no wonderful best thing out there where you're not ever gonna lose in this market. It's just it doesn't exist. It's fairy dust. Okay? So when I seen that, I started to count. You guys know, count 157 pips. This pair moves like 87 pips a day. Okay, it's not done. It's not done. Plus, if you guys are drawing support resistance, which we still do, we still have a lot of room for material. That word stumped me. For it to materialize to get to it. Okay. to get to this level. So in my eyes, do you guys think that this is where it's headed? I think so. Okay, I think so. It could stop here and then ease this way. Absolutely, absolutely. That's an area of value. It's been here once, right? But what I've seen today is what the market maker dealer handed out to me. I seen his deal. I seen his plan. Okay, and it was a dead giveaway. First thing I want to show you is on the 1 hour chart. What do we have here? This is a dead giveaway too. This is like an easy trade, right? Easy trade. We have an inducement down, right? Multi-day W pattern, right? Second leg, right here. So what do we have here? Okay, divergence. I'm just showing you that, okay? The real the entry would be on the 15 minute. I'm going to show you. We go to the 15 minute. Let me go back to the hour because I wanted to draw a box on a trade, the trade that we're talking about right here. Okay. After Asian, we trade in New York. That's the session that we trade. I have a life. Okay. I don't like to trade in London. Sometimes I do, but it's just on occasions. You know what I mean? I don't like to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to trade all the way to New York. I just don't like doing it. I can make plenty of money in New York. So we'll go to the 15. Look what we got here. You guys seen the multi-day W, right? Seen that. Then what we have here? Boom, right out of Asian, London. Boom, we get the legs. Okay, we get the neck. We get the second leg. Okay, and then we get the rise. Okay, and then right in here is our entry, right? You guys go follow our Instagram. It's right there on our background photo. Go check our Instagram out. Okay. So you can go look at our story, and I did this today. I did a screenshot of this trade. Okay. So here was the entry. I know there's a lot of white lines in here. Stop loss. Take profit. 2-to-1 trade. Easy money, right? Got our entry. We had divergence on the 1 hour. Okay, we got divergence across the board on the 15 minute from yesterday's low to today's low. So a type 2 pattern, which what I mean by type 2 is it's pinning to the bottom of Asian. Okay, type 2. Type 1 is going to stop hunt outside of Asian. Type 2 is going to pin to the bottom of Asian or the top of Asian, depending on if it's M or W. And type 3 is going to set up on the middle of Asian. Okay, if you want to watch that video, go back and watch our different types of patterns and watch that video. You get really clear on that. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is easy money, right? So what I'm trying to get you guys to do is to follow this process, take the entry and walk away. Guys, it's going to do one or two things. This market will do one or two things. Okay, it's going to hit this TP or it's going to hit this stop loss. So why stare at it? You know what I mean? You open your phone up, go to the gym, go read a book, go spend time with your family. When you open your phone, it's going to be red or blue. That's it. Okay. Now, I know that. You know that. But our job here is to get, we like to be 70% or higher in our accuracy, right? And once you do that, once you accomplish that, there shouldn't be no worry. There shouldn't be no worry, no way, if you're 70% accurate anyway, because you're making a lot of money. It should be. As long as you got your risk to reward right? So, and you guys see, a 2-to-1, typically you trade in G pairs, fast moving pairs are typically going to get that inside that day. When you see your set, you should be able to get a 2-to-1 out of that trade, right? I'm an intraday trader. Sometimes do I hold trade throughout multiple days? Heck yeah. If I'm catching a trade that's a brand new reversal, I'm gonna hold that trade for 2 to 3 days, right? That's because I'm getting it at the area that it needs to be held for that long, okay? For this trade, I'm not gonna hold. Why would I hold? It's done ran 150, right? It's done ran 150. Now it stopped at this high and it's giving me a reaction at this high. I'm gonna get out, okay? I'm gonna take my 2-to-1 and go about my business, okay? Guys, if any of you guys have been through Steve Morrow's training, you guys know that he says inside of his training, get great at getting 50 pips out of the market on a pair. Get great at that, right? You guys believe that you can do that one day? Absolutely. It happens every day. Every day. Some days it's going to be where that day consolidates and you just don't get it. But it does happen every day, almost every day. So you can do that. It's easy. It's easy to get 50 pips, especially out of your G pairs, out of gold. It's easy to do that. So I wanted to show you these setups. The reason why I want to show you these setups because guys, these are textbook. These are easy. These are almost like, what are you doing that? Why are you showing me that? You're supposed to be manipulating the market this week and showing me some crazy spike this way, spike that way, and get my stop loss. Heck no, he got tore up today. Market makers got tore up today. I'm sure they make money, but they got tore up. I'm sure they made money because people seen this. They seen the drop, they seen the pullback here, and they thought it was going to continue, right? So when guys, pattern, timing, cycle, those 3 things, you'll be solid, okay? Why is pattern first? Because that's what matters. The pattern is the king. That's why he's first. Timing, where are you going to trade at? You're going to trade in London, or you're going to trade in New York, or you're going to trade both. You got to know your timing. You got to know when this dude is active. You got to know when he's active. So you got to know your timing, and you got to know where you're at. Nobody gets to their destination without a map. Nobody, right? So I just wanted to show you guys that, and then I wanted to show you on gold, okay? Gold was a beautiful trade. It's probably one of the best sets I've seen in last month, okay? Easy giveaway that's a peak formation low, okay? I'm gonna draw that. Peak formation low. Okay, so in your eyes, when you've seen this rise, your anticipation was, guys, when you see a rise straight out of level 1, do not try to counter. You're gonna get burnt. You will get burnt. You might win a couple, but you're gonna get burnt more than you will winning, I promise you, okay? So with that being said, we did get a reaction here. We could have possibly made this trade happen. It went up 100 and something pips, easy, right? In this, but that was Friday, okay? I'm talking about this week, this was a beautiful set. Okay, this is something that you want to see every day, that you wish that happens all the time. Okay, and it does happen all the time, but I'm talking about like on a regular basis where we would be on 100% right all the time. Right, so right there, boom. What do you get on the 1 hour? Okay, I talk about these 1 hour shark fins all the time, especially in the direction of the cycle. If you're in a bullish cycle and you get a pin to 1 hour shark fin to the downside, right? Especially at the yesterday's low, it's game over. He's showing his hand right there, right? He's inducing people short. Okay, people see this, guys. People trade nothing but divergence and get burned all the time, right? You see that. People are thinking, man, this trade's gonna go all the way to the bottom. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. When I seen this, I'm like, yep, it's over. Like, why would you tell me you stop hunt to the low and then you get price action and then you start to move up? You guys tell me what he's trying to do here. Trying to get both ways, man. I'm telling you. And look, why did he stop at that high perfectly? Right? Perfectly. He gave one little push, wick, took the stop losses out that were right here, and then he started to react. Slow down, consolidation, drop, and give us some more trades, right? You guys know when you get into level 2, you're gonna have more consolidation, right? So we're in level 2 right now. And I knew that was a level 1 pullback, and then shark finned out, and I was just like, man, I told everybody who was on the call with me, we were trading live on Monday. I said, whoever don't take this signal with me, you're crazy. You're leaving money on the table, right? And within minutes, we were in profit. And then within minutes, our TP was hit. Not minutes, but you guys all know.
It was pretty quick.
Okay? Yeah, it was pretty quick. So when I seen this, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Is he induced people to go short, right? Pulls back. Oh, we're going to get discounted. Runs down, right? Doesn't come back down here. The people that got into a sell down here thinking it was a holy grail, and pins down here. Doesn't let them break even because of spread, okay? And then takes the market the right way, okay? Now, when I seen this candle here, okay? When I seen this candle here, when it formed, okay, it's kind of like a hammer, okay? But it pinned to the yesterday's low. Plus, we have a second leg. Let me draw this up, okay? Boom, first leg, neck. Second leg, and then rise, right? So the first pin, I was like, okay, when that candle closed, I was like, yep, okay, so now we have price action to tell me that, okay, it doesn't want to go any further at that time. Could it still go further down? Yeah. Sometimes candlesticks, they fail. Patterns fail. But I just wanted to show you that. When I seen that, I was like, okay. When I seen this next candle paint, and it run down here and it wicked again and gave me 2 pins to the bottom. And I was like, yes, sir, this is game over. When that candle closed, we entered the trade, okay? And you can see what we have here, massive. You guys have heard me talk about out of the band, in the band, okay? Out of the band, in the band, divergence, easy money, okay? Our entry was here, okay? Your entry could have been after this candle too. You wanted to wait for a lot of momentum, totally fine. You could have entered here, right here, or you could have entered here. This was an early entry, okay? We got in right here, okay? Because my stop loss was really small. It's good risk to reward, okay? Stop loss is really small for gold, okay? So 40 pips stop loss. 170 pips, okay? We took 100 pips, and we got out. That's it. I didn't care to get any more. Okay, we took 100 pips and done. Because I knew that this, you guys know gold, once it runs its correct direction, it's gonna give you 100. It's gonna give you 100. It's gold. Especially if you get a solid entry, it's game over, okay? These guys are textbook. This is what you should be looking for, okay? even when you're in a even when you're in a you know, a bearish market, okay, and you're looking to counter, okay. Remember, like I said, always counter after level 2, okay. Always counter after level 2. Let's scroll back a little further, okay. So like, let's take for instance, let's go to, we can use this. It's fine. I just want to show you a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one here. Okay, so you guys see that we got in a bullish market, and we're definitely after level 2, right? And you get, and I know this is not in our trading time, but this could be a good counter. The reason why you're after level 2, you got almost a shark fin here, and I'm just showing an example. So like, if this was a good shark fin, and you remember pattern timing cycle, right? And you know that you're after level 2 in a bullish market, okay? You get a shark fin to the high 1 hour, you go drop down to the 15, and you get your pattern. You can counter that trade, get a 1-to-1 bounce out, okay? Then look for your real move, okay? But make sure you're after level 2. I can't stress that enough, because you're gonna come back to me like, man, I'm losing trades. Counter right after it rises really good. Rises really good after a reversal. It rises good. That's what it's doing. When it's into level 1 rise, it's a big rise, and you expect a massive pullback. It doesn't happen. It just gives you a little minor, and then it keeps going. So, I want to stress that. But yeah, guys, I wanted to show you those 2 trades, those 2 setups, textbook setups. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Come to you guys know where we're at, Facebook, Instagram. Go ask questions. Ask me some questions. You know, don't be shy. Drop some comments on on the channel, and we'll answer. Okay. If other than that, join our academy. Like I said, Joe and I don't care about the money. We want you guys to be the next testimony. We want to show you that we know what we're talking about. Okay. You guys have been giving us, like I said, great feedback on our channel of how much value we're dropping out here. Just think about what Joe and I can do for you, a one-on-one session. Not only about Forex, not only about a stupid candle, I'm talking about mentally too. We can help you with what you're struggling with right here. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're trying to go out this alone, it's gonna be a long process. You need a mentor. That's what you need. Okay. So with that, I'm done. Joe, do you have anything?
Oh man. Yeah. Hey guys, I just want to point out he had something really important that he said about counter trades. On counter trades, you only want to get a 1-to-1. So it's almost like a scalp. It's very quick. Get in, get out. So whatever you're risking in your stop loss, that's what you should be going for your take profit. That's it, and get out. Now, if you're trading with the trend, that's a different story, right? Now we're going for 2-to-1s or more. So no, that was awesome, Hunter. Everything was good. Hey guys, and he's right. So look at, we recently did a mastermind group with our trading group. We took, how many guys did we have, Hunter? 6-7 guys that went through the trading group. Of all of those guys that went through, 2 of them were kind of new to trading. One was brand new to trading. Another one had been trading for about a year. The rest guys had been trading for, a while, and they'd had some success, but they'd also had quite a few losses. And really at the end of the day, Hunter brought up something really, really important, guys. This strategy here, you can take it and run with it. You don't need Hunter and I. Like, if you can watch this and actually go out and do exactly what we're saying, go and trade exactly how we show you on our YouTube channel, you're going to do great. But I'm telling you right now,
only if you have this right.
99%, that's what I was going to say, 99% of you are going to fail. And the reason why is because of exactly what Hunter just said. Your mind, your mindset. Because the reason why those guys were struggling that came into our mastermind that have been trading for 2, 3, some of them longer than 3 years, longer than Hunter and I.
Yeah.
They've been trading and they've never been consistent. Never. And it's because they didn't have balance in their life. They didn't have the mindset. And when they got clear on that and got balanced in their life, started getting healthy, started spending more quality time with their family, started, you know, loving themselves a little bit more, their trading completely transformed. Like Hunter said, we had one guy go and almost quadruple his account, just short of quadrupling his account. And he was the newest trader out of all of them, right?
Knew nothing.
Knew nothing. But he absolutely smashed. The other guys that have been trading, they went from being inconsistent for all the years they've been trading to some of their biggest weeks and their most consistent month that they've ever had of trading, period, to end. And it wasn't because they weren't capable of it, guys. It wasn't because the strategies that they had learned before don't work. It's because they had to get all the crap out of their head. So I just want to point that out to you guys. Really, if you want to take your trading to the next level, like Hunter said, you need a mentor. You need a group that will be there to support you, answer your questions. Our academy, I'm going to throw it out here, guys. It's $297. For some of you, you might go, ooh, that's too much. Don't have that right now, Joe. Hey, I'm going to tell you right now. There are people, and Hunter and I know them because I've personally invested in, so has Hunter, that charge $297 to talk to them for 15 minutes. Guys, we have a full academy of training videos. We do a daily trading call. One-time fee. We do a daily live trading call every New York session, pretty much Monday through Friday. We do a Monday night training and we do a Friday night training with a market review where Hunter goes into depth, breaking down all the trade setups for the week. Keep our replays for you guys, for our academy members. So if it sounds like I'm barking at you right now, then it probably means that it's time for you to make a choice. It's time for you to take back your time and your freedom and learn how to trade Forex the right way. Make it become a go-to tool in your tool belt, to help you create the time and the freedom that you want, so you can spend all the time in the world with the people you love and care about. Because really, at the end of the day, guys, the whole reason we did this is so that we can give you back your time, so that we can give you back your freedom to be with your families and to be doing the things you want to be doing rather than that you have to be doing. And some of you guys are going to call bullshit on that or BS on that. And I'm telling you right now, how many other times in your life have you called BS on something, and then it turned out to be something really special for you, or for the people that did say yes?
Exactly.
So with that, guys, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. Again, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, pound the like button if you got value out of this, and darn it, go and join our group so Hunter can give you some sauce, man. He's got so much Texas sauce to give you, and I'm just going to bring the good vibrations right here from Southern California, and we're going to bring it home and together give you as much value as we possibly can. With that, Hunter, go ahead and close this out, my friend.
Guys, I love you guys. Keep pipping and dipping. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat, message me, whatever. Like I said, go subscribe, go like. Another thing too is, guys, you probably wonder why that we do what we do as far as talk after. It's because this is the sauce. Strategy is not the sauce. What's in between your two ears is what needs to be fixed. So this, what we talk about, is the sauce, and we can help you. So with that, keep pipping and dipping. I'll see you guys soon.
Take care, guys. See you at the next video. Bye-bye.